So we're here in Jefferson Forest, and I think I found the perfect trail, and it's Ocean Motion right behind me. I think it's a 2-kilometer trail here in Ontario. So what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna run the GoPro 8, which is on my chest right now, and then I'm gonna run GoPro 11 that I'm filming right now, and basically both cameras are gonna run 4K 30 frames per second, hyper smooth on, not boost, Pro Tune on, 10 bits on the GoPro 11, 8 bit on GoPro 8 because that's how much is offering, exposure value to -0.5, and shutter to auto, ISO auto, so basically everything else to auto, white balance 55K, which I'm running all the cameras outside biking. So at the end I'm going to run the GoPro 11 on a 5K 30 frame per second, on the 8 on a 7 sensor, and going to crop to 16:9 and see what's the differences. So let's go do the trails. All right, so GoPro 8 on my chest. 3:30 in the afternoon, October. As for the light conditions, some sun, mostly cloudy. A little bit slippery, so first part is nice. It's a little bit downhill. All right, guys, GoPro Hero 11. Let's see the difference. I'm curious myself. So not much difference between these two cameras. The big difference I can see here is the colors. GoPro 8 is running in GoPro color. GoPro 8 only has 2 color profiles, and GoPro 11 has 3 color profiles, and this footage is running in natural profile, which is not that punchy, and it doesn't need that much of a processing. So that's the biggest difference I can see. Everything else seems the same to me. Same chest mount, same tension on the chest mount. I'm hoping it's the same angle. Oh, I forgot my glasses. Whoa. Alright, so that's it. That was GoPro 8. Alright, same trail, Ocean Motion, but now 5.3K, 30 frames per second in 8/7 capture. So GoPro is advertising this as a view that you can crop 16/9 or 9/16 to put in some social media. They're saying it's a full sensor capture, and you can do your own, but put it on the computer and trying to crop or doing any other view doesn't actually create the same view as the hyper view in the GoPro or the super view. You can only shoot in wide in this 8/7. So GoPro has its own lens functionality in their phone application. There's no desktop app for it, so you have to upload footage onto the GoPro app and then actually reprocess through those lenses to create a super view or a hyper view. I was not able to do that. It only created a blank file on my phone, so probably the phone is not that powerful, or I'm not sure exactly what's happening. So I was not able to actually recreate a super view out of this 8/7 view. I tried to do it in DaVinci, but it's actually not. It's not the same. GoPro is using some kind of like algorithm that is stretching the sides, and it's trying to keep the center not that stretched. I'm not sure exactly how that's going, but it is what it is. So that's why you see this kind of footage. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.